welcome to Irha's family tube. Today we're going to color this butterfly mask. So, Irha Horn is here too, and I'm going to color this butterfly. Butterflies are so beautiful. I wish I could fly, but I'm just a unicorn. Because unicorns don't have to do a lot of magic. Because unicorns don't normally wish to fly. They just stay in the ground most of the time. I don't think I would have enough magic to fly. Look at it. It's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. You know I have a song. There's a butterfly flying outside. I want to catch it, and it's beautiful. It has rainbow wings. It has rosy nub. It has beautiful wings, and it's giant. I wish I could fly on a butterfly one day, but I know that's not true. Cute little butterflies come from my pet caterpillar. She's cute and small and cute. When she grows up, then she'll turn into a butterfly. How wonderful could she do that now? But she's still small, that's what I know. And I look outside the window, I see a butterfly flying high. I wanna be with it, but it never ever would be my friend. I never got to hold a butterfly. Sometimes butterflies are nice, but they always run away from me. I want to see you in the air. What would it be to fly with a butterfly? They fly up into the sky. The wings colorful. They have a lot of colors, green, like red, blue, or green. That's what I like about them. They can see the sky, below the sky. They also have honey. They also like honey too. They eat that for themselves. They're friends with honeybees, and they're not dangerous at all. Butterflies are beautiful, butterflies are kind, but they never would come in my hand. I wish they would listen and come to my hand and be friends with me at all. Butterfly, I wish I could do it and see it, but they keep on running away from me. I wish I could fly with the butterflies. I wish I could join how to fly, and they have amazing cool. They fly so amazing. I can't wait to have a pet caterpillar. My mom said one day that I could maybe could have a pet, but maybe I can have pink pink butterfly. That's a marker. That's what I get. Yeah. Pink cool and the butterfly. There. I wish I could fly in the butterflies and wish could join all the butterflies. I wish I was born as a butterfly. I wish I could fly, but I know I can't be a butterfly because they're beautiful and have golden wings. And I wish I could touch the sky. Beautiful clouds. They are so beautiful. They have a lot of colors. They do. They're shining now. They fly but they never would come down to play with me, that's for sure. I love flowers a lot because of the bees and butterflies. I knew if I could grow some flowers, then they would come by. Because my neighborhood, I saw a butterfly a lot in flower gardens. They did have a lot of flower gardens. I love to play in there now. It was fun and cool. They had a lot of fields, and it was amazing. They were in the wild. I would not be scared because I was lost now. But I knew I liked butterflies a lot. Now I would never chase one else to be different. I would not chase them to catch the butterfly and hurt them while it was. Catch the butterfly to be the friend. Now I never ever catch it to hear it. Never wanted, but I never wanted to that. But I have to do it, but I have to catch it. So if it can't stop, then I would be happy. But it never stopped for me. Cause it never stopped for me or any. I wish they could just come and just came to me and play with me all day long. I wish I had a butterfly and it would fly up to the sky where it's flying. Where did they fly? I love butterflies. I like learning about them a lot. Now I need to learn. I like to care them. I love flowers as butterflies a lot. But I wish I could be one day a butterfly and I fly with the butterfly, and I wish I could go into the forest for a while. I wish I had a family that would be a butterfly. I would come to everyone and hope they're good. Now I would always run away through that. But I love butterflies because they're beautiful in the air. Because they will fly high in nowhere, no matter where. No matter where flower is, they will always catch it. Anywhere, where it's safe and good. They never missed a flower before. They love and they don't have wood. There's not a lot of white butterflies out there. I know that very much. The first butterfly saw what beautiful rainbow colors. Now it was beautifuler than me. I was so loved them. I chased her around there and stayed my place. I said, but I found out because there were a lot of flowers. I asked what these things are called, and my mom said there are beautiful butterflies, and I never saw these things. I asked, what do they do? Green and light purple, violet, and pink too. Now I'm coloring more. I did this all. See? Look at it. And maybe even I'm gonna draw on the stick so it looks nice. We're just gonna draw a little heart, a little green heart. Yeah, because butterflies are beautiful and a lot of people love them. See a heart on it? So you know, love butterflies. I need to color all the outlines because there's little things. Sometimes there's little leftovers that like to stay that we don't need in our picture. Because if you're a little bigger, then you have to make all these empty white places. Because a good artist never ever leaves spaces. Oh, I have to cover that with purple because we don't do wrong things. Artists needs to the correct color. You have to copy the color. Line C. You have to color it just right. No wrong ways. No wrong ways. But you can actually color two colors. Like you can color anything you want. But color almost like this. But don't get see, now it looks pretty. I also have to do here. See, I put some glitter glue. That makes it amazing. See guys, I'm done. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye!